Join me as I dive into some best-selling novels and challenge myself to uncover the financial wisdom hidden within their pages. Best-selling novels often reflect deeper truths about life, including financial principles. By exploring these lessons, we can gain a new perspective on managing our finances. Many authors weave financial themes into their stories, providing insights that are both relatable and thought-provoking. We all face financial challenges at some point in our lives. Debt, lack of savings, and financial insecurity are just a few of the hurdles that can seem insurmountable. These struggles are not just personal failure, but also a symptom of a larger issue: a lack of financial education. Literature can provide a unique lens through which to view these challenges. In F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby, we see the consequences of excessive spending and the empty materialism of the wealthy elite. Jay Gatsby's pursuit of wealth and status ultimately leads to his downfall, serving as a cautionary tale about the dangers of living beyond one's means. In contrast, Charles Dickens's David Copperfield features a character in Mr. Macawer, who, despite struggling financially, manages to turn his life around through determination and smart financial decisions. The wisdom here is clear: being mindful of our spending and making smart financial choices can have a significant impact on our lives. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series also offers valuable lessons on financial wisdom. The character of Scrooge-like Mr. Malfoy, who prioritizes wealth and status above all else, serves as a foil to the more altruistic character. Meanwhile, in Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, we see the financial vulnerability of women during the early 19th century, highlighting the importance of financial independence. One pivotal scene that stands out is from The Great Gatsby, when Gatsby and Daisy Buchanan's affair comes to a head. The drama and tragedy that unfold serve as a stark reminder of the consequences of unchecked spending and reckless financial decisions. Similarly, in To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee illustrates the importance of empathy and understanding in financial decision-making through the character of Atticus Finch. The main lessons learned from these novels are clear: being mindful of our spending, making smart financial choices, and prioritizing financial independence can have a significant impact on our lives. By applying these lessons to our own financial situations, we can make more informed decisions and build a more secure financial future. If you've got a favorite financial lesson from literature, share it with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for more practical tips on managing your finances, be sure to check out my next video on personal finance.